Hello everybody and welcome to the stream of the CrystalDust of the developments and such. Yes. So today is May 17th, not March. Not like last week. I thought it was March last week, but it's a May. It's May Day. Is it May? No, it wouldn't be May Day. It is May 17th. That's it. That's all you need to know. Fucking goddamn. Okay, so last week we finished the fucking apricorn nonsense that so many people were like, well, you didn't finish the apricorn this week. It's been like 3 weeks. How could you not have done that? It was fucking. We're doing not that at least now though. We're doing something much more boring. Okay, well, hear me out. Basically, what's going on is that I updated my version of PoriMap, and there were merge conflicts because it was a big difference in the version. And now all of my custom shit has broken. And if I try to save a map while in this state, it don't appreciate that. Ergo, I have to fix this before we can work on stuff like mapping related. So we're gonna go ahead and search for phone. Wait. I need to open I need to open a map file to make sure. Today we are not working on apricorns. We are working on apricorn balls now. God, that would be terrible. And apparently has to reinstall the VS Code server for WSL. I don't know why. Used this before. Are you gonna... Here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna open a map.json for some random ass map. I just need to find a Boolean value that I can search for here. Okay. So in project we have this. Get top level map fields. Okay. Floor number goes after show map name here, so I do need that. Phone service goes after allow running here. I don't know why those are in fire red. It's not fire red based. Now we are fixing PoriMap. Yeah, I know, but I didn't realize PoriMap was so broken until I tried to use it like a few minutes ago, and I was like, oh no, this doesn't save it. It doesn't save the custom shit. That's not good. Okay, so that's where that's located. Here. Okay. Right, so I commented all that stuff out. It's parsing that properly. And presumably, what does this do? Phone service, maps like that, then yeah, for sure, that works. And then the new map pop-up really doesn't matter so much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start it and see what happens. Yes. How's y'all's, week, I suppose? Also, April went by quick. It's already in the middle of May, dude. May's going by quick. You shouldn't even be worried about April anymore. Then next week, the mic randomly breaks. In that case, I actually don't know what I would do because I don't have another mic. I don't have any headset mic even. I guess I could use like my phone's mic or something stupid like that, but I actually don't know. Vihala, did you change your username? Because I don't remember you being Vihala Brown. Okay, it's still not showing the floor number thing somewhere. Vihala was taken on Twitch. Oh wait, so is this your first time here, or am I just stupid and don't remember you having the name Vihala Brown before? Okay, let me search for this. Advanced search. Okay. No, it's my third or fourth time, but I don't comment super often. Oh, that might be it then. But I really don't remember. That's crazy. Okay. Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Ha! I get it. Yeah, okay. Doop, doop. But where's they actually used? Okay, actually, I should probably look up the spin box to see where that's getting hidden and not hidden. No. In advanced. Okay, in the UI, well, that's just where it's located, I suppose. But here's where we're setting it to visible or not. We set it to visible, so it's there. We give it a value. Huh? Why is it not being visible when we look at it here? It's just missing that. It even says here, Q spin box. Oh, wait, this is in the new map pop-up. Whoopsies. My bad, that's not right. Oh no, Twitch is forcing 1080p down on me. Time for lag galore. Oh, is it because, like, would you normally be watching, like, at 720 or 480 or something because it's laggy otherwise? And they're forcing you to be high def? That makes no sense. Alright, that's what I should be searching for. Map, arrow, floor number. Okay. That's just reading and writing it. Set value. Spin box floor number. That's what I want to look for, not the other one. I see in 64 pixels. Oof. Okay, main window. Here we go. That's what we're missing. Here we go. TRUE. And here, TRUE. Also, oh, custom fields. We got rid of those. Great. Okay. 8x8 resolution, baby. An entire tile. You have a 2K screen, so it looks small in the stream. Do I have a 2K screen? Is 1440p 2K? I don't think it is. But yeah, okay. Header. Okay, look at that. We got floor numbers back. But yeah, I can't really zoom in on the fucking UI, unfortunately. I can only zoom in on, like, the map view and everything. So it's 1080p 1K? I guess it is. Huh. Okay, so this hopefully should work. There's a map I wanted to test this out, which is where I noticed it on. Prototype Pretty Petal Flower Shop was saved incorrectly, so I'm gonna go ahead and just hit save on that again. Okay. Okay, cool. It just rearranges it. Okay. Yeah, it just moves show map name down there. Phone service is still good. I don't know why phone service has been moved in between. It doesn't matter. Okay, so we shouldn't be losing info like we were before, which is good. It says connections null was replaced and was changed to connection 0 though, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that that's intentional, and I'm not going to run into all these fucking merge conflict errors again, because that's so annoying to merge. That's so fucking annoying. Data maps. 104 prototype Pretty Petal Flower Shop. I'm just gonna copy paste all this stuff here. I'm just gonna do a direct comparison like that. Who gives a shit about 3K? We skipping. Where's the Pretty Petal Flower Shop one? Here. Okay. So for some reason it makes like a bunch of empty space there where it should be. Also the null is still not supposed to be null actually. Fuck. That's not good. Okay, look for connections. Advanced, case sensitive, whole word. Also, why did it capitalize it there? It's in 1440p is negative 2K. Okay. Yeah, it's either it's that or it's QJSON value null. Okay, so that's probably what's storing it. But why is it storing null as 0 now? It should be storing it as a string called null. That might not be a me thing. That might be a that might be a Porimap thing. I'm not sure. They equate out to the same thing, so it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to eliminate as many merge conflicts as I could. I love watching, but I still have no idea what's happening. Same way since high school. Oh, hey! Hey, Matt! Okay. Let's see here. How long have you been watching? We're gonna go ahead and look at the source code for this. I'm gonna check to make sure that I didn't fuck something up in this. You know. Okay. I'm just gonna search for an entire line here and find that in this. QJSON value, no, just it says that. I lurch often. Like, I'm guessing you mean lurk, but just imagining you lurching often is really funny to me. Because that means to make an abrupt, unsteady, uncontrolled movement or series of movements. That's just funny. But okay, yeah. Cool. So I'm just gonna not bother about that right now. And just Google it after I typed it. Nice. Okay, so we have I think we're like more or less good to go with regards to saving map stuff. I guess I could check object clones. Where do I have object clones? Do I want to know Azalea Town? It's okay, English is my third language. Okay, let's see. Why does it make me stop being on there? Event object clone. Okay, so right now we don't have any diffs for Azalea Town, right? I want colored Kappa. Kappa HD. Kappa Pride. Yes. All the pride. Okay, so he's hanging out over here. I just want to make sure that if I save this, it won't, like, kill that, because that's a custom thing that I added. Okay, so what is the diff here? Oh, there's a lot of diff. I can't just open that here. I have to actually look at it in the fucking viewer. That's fine. Okay. Let's go ahead and just close all the ones on this side. We don't need them. We don't fucking need them. Okay. So let's see. Type clone. Source ID, source map. Geez, there's a lot of kappas. Flag hide Azalea Town. No, this is a different one. Source ID, source map, type XY. Source ID, source map, type XY. Okay, cool. It seems like clones save properly. And of course, they have to load properly in order for me to have seen it at all. I think that's a good enough display that this works. Nice. All right. So from here, we kind of have two options for how to... Oh. Oh yeah, that's right. They added the stuff here to like the top menu in the events view. Okay. If I had an evil face, I would love it to be dark mode, which is I guess a demonic kappa shows up every time I get evil. Speaking of kappa, the kappa subreddit was celebrating Smash Ultimate being off Evo. I don't know what they would be celebrating there really, because Evo is like a big competition thing, and I don't know why they would be celebrating it being taken off. Also, why is that on the kappa subreddit? Why is there a kappa subreddit? I guess is the bigger question. But in any case, we have two options here, and I'm gonna let you guys choose which one you want to do first. We can either go to the gym, or we can do the rival script thing. If we do the rival script, it's going to be scripting and then a battle. If we do the Azalea Town gym, it's going to be a lot of tile set importing and mapping. So up to you guys. What do you think would be the more interesting thing for me to show first? Jaizu, it can't be both. Both doesn't work first. I Bugsy. Therefore you are. Bugsy. Okay. You guys seem to want me to do tile set insertion and mapping. Okay, I can do that. I guess I can't use that warp. Okay. Just kind of woke up. Nice. Okay, we're gonna go... Well, I guess we'll start with just wiping the map. Okay. We're gonna fill that with blank tile, why not? So the first things first, we need to go ahead and insert the tile set. What was that? What was what? Tom XSB also welcome. That was, do you mean that what was me wiping the gym, or what was, how did you just do that? Oh, control and then hold mouse click and it'll like do a magic fill where it'll fill every instance of that block with the selected block. That's what I use to clear maps quickly because there's not like a clear map button anywhere. But, you know, it's not, I don't know. I feel like it would be useful, but they said it hasn't really been. Or it wouldn't really be, I guess, is the right term. But in any case, I told you pro coders are like magicians. I don't know if that's right, but thank you. Okay, so Fire Road has progressed enough to where I can just yoink assets out of it. Lovely. So I can just kind of... Why Pokey Ruby? I just literally just said Fire Red. Graphics. Tiles? No. Data. Tile sets. Yes, okay. And we based this off, in beta 2, we based it off of the Celadon gym? Celadon gym. Okay, here we are. We're gonna go ahead and copy. I told you these are not pajamas. I don't have any idea what you're saying, Captain Dingpot, and that's as usual, honestly. Like, I never understand what you're saying, man. Oh, wait, not graphics again. It's supposed to be data tile sets. I'm assuming we put them in the same one. Yeah, we did. And then do for gym is what we're replacing. Okay, just slap it on top, replace. And now, unload, reload. Still hasn't loaded. Probably just needs me to close, reopen. You never watched Despicable Me? I'm not for the minions, by the way. Oh, I watched Despicable Me. I just don't know it enough to like quote it in any meaningful capacity. It wasn't that important of a movie for me. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to pull up the reference here. Oh god, it's so zoomed in. Okay, never mind, we're good. Phew. As far as I know, latest Pori map has an option in the menu to reload the project so you don't have to you don't have to reopen the tool. Oh my gosh, I asked for that to be added. Oh my gosh. That's... Oh, I can actually do that now? That's so good. And the second and third film hit, the minions felt so shoehorned in. That's because they were. They made the money. Ergo, they have to be in it. Otherwise, what are the kids coming to see? Gru? The children? The villains? Ha! That's not it at all. In fact, they should just make a whole movie about just... Oh. Alright, so this is the original map for the gym. So we're going to go ahead and just do that, but better. There's not really another way to describe what I'm doing besides that. Yep. Yep, there we go. Fucking, there's a sequel is coming. Oh, Captain Dingpot. Oh, Captain Dingpot. How can you map at 1x? I'm not, am I? Oh, I am. Because it's, like, I don't have to do detail work at the moment, and the map is kind of too big to, like, zoom in, like, a significant amount. I can do that, though. That's fine. But let's... Actually, I'm gonna open Fire Red in Advanced Map. I'd open it in another copy of Pori Map, but I don't have... I don't have an unedited version of Pori Map. I just have my fucking thing with all the mods on top of it. So... Okay. So Fire Red. Here, I'll create backup. I get it. You've never been able to create the backup for some reason. You're also taking a long fucking time to load. Okay. Celadon Gym. No. Celadon Gym. Yes. Okay. So they had like a little... This one here? Yeah. Okay, and then that continues to there. Let's go and do the side walls, I guess. What's the difference between these two tiles here? I don't think there is a difference. Which one does this one use? Yeah, okay. I guess it used to look a little different, and that's why they had it that way. And then boop, and then boop. Please make the forest tree centered. Yes. I even did that in beta too, if I'm not mistaken, so I don't know why you'd think I wouldn't now. Unless I didn't and I'm just fucking dumb. Could also be that. That happens quite a bit. Oh, here we go, the gym floor mat. Okay, doop, doop. Okay, we're gonna do this. Doop. Okay, it seems to be a pattern of just literally just every other tile is just the lighter one. So easy pattern. Boop. Nice. Thinking about it, I think it was. I think it was too. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. Actually. Oh, no, I can't. I need to do the offset one first. There we go. Boop. Well, that's a little bit more than I anticipated, but it works. Oh, no. Well, that's not what I meant. Oh, God, now I can't. Now I'd have to do, like, manual painting, but I don't really give a shit enough because I'm just going to crop it anyway. Okay. Love the undo button. Yeah, the fact that this has an undo button just saves me so much fucking mental anguish. Okay. So that's how they did it there. How did I do it bail a while? Sorry, that was a yawn. CrystalDust edition of Advanced Map. Just change map size. I will, but like I need to determine what the map size that I want is. Which is why I haven't shrunken it yet. Error walk me back, a file not saved. Yeah, I know. Shut up, baby, I know it. Wish I could do a Bender voice, that'd be cool. Oh, I was practicing my Carl voice, and I was able to do, like, a very close one, and I've never been able to do it again. Or else I would demonstrate it. It's getting updated regularly. Yes, it is. Azalea Town. Let's see what your gym looked like. Oh. Pretty similar. I did a good job. Hey, hey. And look, it's even centered, Dingpot. Honestly, though, this whole map is like pretty freaking close to what I would already do for this. Like, there's a few things that are just like, oh, they did that because of the Game Boy, not because of any real aesthetic pattern. But like, other than that, huh? Okay, well, I can do that. Oh, also the yawning. Okay, we're gonna go and place these where they're gonna go, like that, I guess. This is the opportunity to have a double battle here. Don't mess it up. You mean like that? Like I messed it up there? Well, the thing is, though, it was a double battle in the original. And it wasn't a double battle in Gold, Silver, Crystal, but I made it a double battle in CrystalDust. So, yeah. Unfortunately, though, having the 3 instead of having it centered instead of having just 2, that makes it so you could avoid them going one direction or the other, which is a little problematic, I will say. So, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do there. The way I solved it before is not the way I would solve it now, is all I really want to say in that regard. Mayro 2, yes, quite. That song gets stuck in my head a lot, mostly because of the fucking the Moonbase Alpha videos. If you guys have seen those, they're really funny. Moonbase Alpha Texas speech. What is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go up to there. And then cap it off. Okay. So far, so good. Then we're gonna go put that there. We're gonna go wrap it around. Dupe. Well, I'll eventually have to... What did you use there? These, okay. I'll fix that later. Do that. Do those are the inside curves. I'm surprised you're not using the auto tile functionality. Auto tile functionality? If you mean like the automatic auto path thing, then that doesn't work with these, as far as I'm aware. That doesn't work when the tiles aren't like a 3x3 grid on the tiles things. Make a 3x3 square of the yellow floor selected and enable smart. God damn it, you're right. I could have just done that. Oh well. Honestly, it's a fucking, like, it's a simple thing to do anyway. Okay. So that's that. I never really liked how everything else was, like, perfectly balanced. But then this one was just like, why is that there? And I have the opportunity to correct that. Because I think I'm better than them. And I need to correct their mistakes. Honestly, though, it does look better. I meant to click the flowers on the hat, but I accidentally selected the pay button and the flowers was directly above it. Wait, did you pay me on accident somehow? What? How does that work? How can you, like, pay someone on accident? What is that? Why is that? What is that? What is this? No channel points, the emotes. Oh, right. I see. I fucking see. Okay. So they did keep the pattern going underneath for some reason. Okay. But, like, why though? They didn't really do that. Yeah, but they did it anyway, and then everybody clapped. Yeah, these base tiles are literally exactly the same, though, so. Okay. Light, dark, light, let's see. Wait, what the fuck? For some reason, the live view I have of my stream is, like, super fucking delayed. Jesus. Refresh that page. Okay. That's a little bit more up to date. Okay, right back where I was. So that's light, dark. So it's dark, light, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I don't really care anymore right now. It says 11 viewers. It says 10 for me. But that's not even what I was worried about. It was just kind of broken. It was very delayed in, like, the video sense of it. So I'm gonna be adding the big forest tree like I did here. But for now we're not gonna be worrying about that so much. Oh, they did have, like, the one out of place tree here too. Oh, there's two here. Maybe there's precedent for them. I'll keep it then. Why not? And then I'll get the new tile made at some point. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and, I guess, paint the trees in the center of the area. Yes. Like that, I guess. Right, like that, and then... Ba-doop. Ba-doop, ba-doop, boop. Ba-doop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 ba-doop, boop. Ba-doop, ba-doop, boop, boop. Ba-doop, boop, boop. Ba-doop, boop, boop, ba-doop, boop. Ba-doop, ba-doop, boop, boop. Ba-doop, boop, boop. Okay. That seems a little bit weird, so I'm gonna go ahead and widen that out a bit. I really shouldn't have put the pattern down until I was done, otherwise it doesn't... I'm gonna have to fucking fix it later anyway. So it goes. No. No. That's a little better. The middle looks a tad small. Yes, I agree. Hence why the widening occurs. Now that opening looks small, so I'm gonna go ahead and eliminate it entirely like that. Yeah, I like that. Maybe I could stand to move these up one or something. Nah. I'll have to keep adjusting these while I place people down and stuff, but for now, that is looking a-okay. Probably move all the trees up one. Yeah, you're right. Let's do that. Boop, boop. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up there and put my one in the bottom left here. Looks bigger. That might be because it is. Whoa. Who'd have fucking thought? All right. So the twins. What am I gonna do with the twins then? Because in the original, they're meant to be an unavoidable battle, right? That was the intent set down by Game Freak, to make them unavoidable. So I need to do something with that same sort of spirit in mind. Make them unavoidable. Well, the fact that you can go up to the left and up through the left and the right is making this a little bit more challenging. Just wipe those for now. It's fine. So how would I design the map to better accommodate that then? Because, like, I could easily put, like, the twins here, or like, facing out this way or that way. But the thing is, I can't... There's not really a single place in this map. Is the Beta 2 good enough to calm the hype for Beta 3? I kind of want to play Johto, and Heart Gold Soul Silver sucks. People think it's still good. I don't think it's as good as I could have made it, but it's still better than some other packs. So, up to you, my dude. Are you challenging a leader? No way! I don't know why, that's just the default voice I do now. Eh? Why are you crashing? I don't know. Better than Shiny Gold Sigma. Indeed! So what do I do here? This is a tough pickle. How do I design this so that the twins are unavoidable either way you go? Because I can't think of a way to do it. How did Heart Gold Soul Silver do it, I wonder? Because I know they're gonna change the fucking gym layout a whole bunch because they felt like they needed to. But I can possibly get some context for it. Maybe. Let's check Bulbapedia again. Here we go. Ah, it's even S people. Oh. They actually changed the unavoidability, I think. I forgot how this gym works. Is it like one of those games where you have to like whichever one you take, you have to follow all of the strings on it? So that would mean that, like, if you took the middle one, you would have to go left and have to go back right and then have to go right and then you end up in front of this guy. Whereas if you took the right one, you would have to go left you would have to go left, you end up here. And if you took the left one, you would have to go right, right, left, and then you're in the middle. You do have to battle the twins. The lever next to them leads to Bugsy. Oh, they made them required, but in a different way. But they also made them required in the way that they are not the first people you battle either. So that's good to know. There is precedent. Also, who the... Oh, you're Brawly. I was like, who the fuck is this guy? Is there any place in this gym that you have to go through in order to... Like, I could do it like... yeah, I could do that. Like that, if I had them, like, across this opening or something? Where, like, or like in the opening, I guess. And then they would be facing the same center tile, and that would achieve the same thing, I think. But Game Freak never separated the twins like that. They were always next to each other, not, like, apart. Ugh. It's annoying. I'm gonna go ahead and not worry about that yet. I'm gonna go and import the big honkin' tree. Maybe have them behind the trees. Maybe. That doesn't help me to understand what trees or what even you're talking about. Okay, here we are. Do you have palette 10? Or is that an import from outside? It is something that I made up. Maybe have them behind the trees at the top where the gap is. Like here and here you're talking about? It doesn't really matter. They're still separated. If I put them up here, then you can still go through this way. Huh. That's annoying. Well, Just an idea. Let's see what happens if I move this in one here. Then did another one of these here. Ew. Ew, no. They were separated by a tile in CD Beta 2. I know, and I don't like that. It was a stupid workaround just to make them be in the same place. So I want to figure out a way that, like, Game Freak would have actually designed this level to make it so that you had to face them like that, but not... You know what I'm talking about? Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and import this tree. Right, current palette to file. Can I export it as a... That's... None of these are good formats. Let's say I go up to a 10 again. Palette editor. Use .pal. Yeah, but .pal isn't gonna be the right .pal. That's an advanced map .pal, which is not right. Like if I go to the desktop, pal10.pal, and I open that in CrystalDust. See, yeah, it's a binary file. Yeah, he decided, oh, I'm gonna make my own format. This is gonna be like a literal palette, but it's not. Oh, you can also use Act. Yeah, but can I import an Act into Porimap? Oh, I can. I can even import a TPL or a GPL. Oh, fuck, I did not realize. Awesome. No more binary. Is that like a binary? Alright, so that's imported now. Save tile set. Export image to desktop. Save tileset 2 to desktop. Vista Paint. I need to sit properly. My back is not feeling too good. Duford tiles, yes. And then tiles at 50. I can just zoom in and just be a little extra stuff there. I mean, otherwise this is more or less the same exact tile set. Well, not exactly. I seem to have added some tiles here for some reason. I'm not quite sure what those would be used for, but maybe I'll figure that out in a bit. Okay, pop that down. Oh shit, no. Set that as the background. Pop it down, plop it here. Save that. Import secondary from desktop. Duford. There it is. Change number of meta tiles. Let's give me 1, 2, 3, 4 more rows, just so I have like a contiguous thing here. Like, I think I did, yeah, see, I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So that would be 4 times 8 is 32, so 66, 96. There we go. Boop, boop, boop. Let's start with the bottom. This is what y'all voted for. Hope you're all happy. I'm fine with doing this. I'm just joking. Boop. 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 Okay, and then that. Boop. 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 Man, there's a lot of minor bugs with pouring map that have been fixed, which is great. Seems anyway, from my limited experience. You inserted the bag so it looks nicer in the wall. What? What did you just say? I don't have no idea what you just said. Badge. Ah. Undo works there too. Good to know. Yeah, I haven't inserted the bag yet. Let's just take this, put it there. No. Put it there. Also no. Guess it should be like taller. Like this part should be extended down one, I suppose. That looks a little better, actually. Yeah. Sorry, English is hard. Yo lo sé, pobrecito, yo lo sé. It needs to be taller. Perfect. Thank you. I'll fix those later. I just wanted those to be there. So you'll be standing like there, I guess. So here he's just like, oh, I'm just kind of standing off to the side here. And it's not, I'm not really centered because there's not a center in my gym. But yeah, here he can be standing. Oh, no, he'll just be in the tree. No, he would be here. Erica doesn't have like a platform underneath her, so that's a good precedent. I guess we'll lay out some of the objects in here just so I have an idea of where people will be. Number 2 is this black belt guy. I'll do the twins last. You'll face down. 3. You will be this person, face left. Set face left. Number 4, you will be here, face down. Okay. Give me a good idea of where people are. Of course, you will go here. Why are there 2 copies of this? Should only be 1. And warp ID 0. Delete 1. BG's. 1. Oh, 1 is actually this one. 1, 2. Boop, 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 boop. It might be interesting if they gave Bugsy a secret base in the big tree. Don't know how to respond to that. Gonna go ahead and make that 1 tile now, which is a combination of these 2. Dang, it takes a bit to save. Okay. I think we can add the pattern back in at this point, frankly. Boop, 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 boop. And that would be the place to battle Bugsy. Are you a Pokemon game designer? If not, you're hired. If you are, then I'm just gonna have to, like... Okay. Okay. I need to do the inverse, which is this one. Oh, we actually could just knock out the top of that. It'll be okay. Because this is Gen 3, but Fire Leaf Green didn't do that. Exactly. You already know my justification for not doing it. Smart. All right, and then we'll do that, and then bam. Most of it's there. Can't all be automated, unfortunately. Actually. It can be automated. Look at that. Nice. Okay, that one, well, there's a few things that needed to be fixed up still. But... Put those in. All right, look at that. Pattern's in. And then we're going to go ahead and add the background for the tree, which is going to be first, we'll take dark, and then we'll take light. And then, of course, light will go here. And light will also go here. Just like dark will go here. And light would go here. And bam. Okay, I think I'm pretty set on the width and height of this place now. So it's 13 by 19. Look at that. Okay. The only thing that I haven't really added is like this part here, and then there's like some flowers. I don't know if I want to add the under growth thing, because that just kind of seems like it would be like a limitation of the Game Boy kind of thing rather than a an actual intended thing for the game to do, or for the map to have done on it, I suppose, is the good way to wait. The good phrase to weigh that. Yes, that's what I fucking meant, of course. But yeah, now the fact is I need to figure out those twins. Yeah, you and you. Cool. Was there any kids separated in fire leaf green that stood next to each other in red, blue, yellow? There weren't any twins in red, blue, yellow. Ergo, I can't use that as a reference. Like I could just could put them here, like I said, and then just so you can't talk to them from the top, like put that there or something. And you have to you're basically fed in through there. And then you could, since you can't talk to them from the top, then they would be on either side of you, but they wouldn't be so separated. You know? Oh, god damn it, now I need this tile back. Motherfucker. Boop, boop. I honestly think this is going to be the best way to do it. Of course, you will need to be moved somewhere now. Oh, but now you're going to be not unavoidable anymore because of this. Okay, how many trainers here were unavoidable versus avoidable? Twins are unavoidable, it seems, because you had to hit the switch. This guy's unavoidable because you had to cross through him. This guy, I don't know. Do you guys remember what these actual things did? Because like if I write here, it's gonna be boop, 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 ba-da-ba-da-bum, and then do that, and then that would, they would lower me. Okay, yeah, that's right. And then you would do that. It would come back over here, and then you couldn't cross it, so you'd come over to here instead. You could flip that now, and then you would go bap, and you wouldn't actually hit that, so you would just go bap. Wait, so how would you get there then? Yeah, how would you actually end up in front of this guy? I guess if you go back. I'm not actually sure how you end up in front of this. Oh, wait, there's a switch here. There's a switch here. Ah. So if you were to turn it off and we're like, okay, that seems like a smart idea. Boop, boop. And that turns out that wasn't such a smart idea. Okay, so they basically kept 2 optional bug catchers, 1 non-optional, and then the twins. 2... Wait. 2 optional, 1 non-optional, and the twins. But the thing is, though, they made, in Gold, Silver, Crystal, they made one of them mandatory. Like, you had to face one or the other, and you couldn't, but you didn't have to face both. Interesting. So they did change around. They did make more people, like, more optional, I guess, is the way to put that. So do I conserve this, or do I make the twins? Not actually sure what to do here. Yeah. Why is it on cursor? Because I do want to keep this guy's non-optionality. So him being there still makes sense. But then what do I do about the twins? Oh, yeah, man, remakes are easy to do. You definitely don't have to take all this random shit into consideration when you're doing a remake, no sir. How about if I do that? If I do that, then it would keep like the density of the trainers about the same, which is kind of a metric that you need to look out for, because you don't want there to be too much crowding in like the sprites. So that keeps that the same. That makes it so you could go this way and just avoid everybody except for you and you. Or like, okay. Yeah, go right, hit 1, 2. Go left, hit 1, 2, 3. Well then, what if I added a new trainer to the gym? And then they would be evenly matched on both sides, I guess. I don't know. They didn't add anybody to the gym in Gold, Silver. I don't think they added anybody to any gym. I could be wrong, but they added people to Kanto gyms, but I don't think they added anybody to these. This is the kind of shit that I agonize about. Oh yeah, the only reason they did this way isn't even for aesthetic purposes. It's literally just because they needed to funnel you up here to the twins instead of being able to go around it. So if that's the reason they did that, I feel like eliminating it actually makes more sense then. Now it feels kind of weird. I don't know. It feels too symmetric. I'm gonna leave it. Fuck it. Why not? But I do want to put the flowers down, I guess, somewhere. I put them in like a circle around it because I thought that would be interesting. But they used it here to signify the area around Erica. So what if I do something similar for Bugsy? Yeah. Well, maybe not those. Okay. Try that and that. I don't know about those two. Thoughts, guys? I kind of like them without, actually. Yeah. Oh, let's see if... No. That's better. Okay. So unless I figure out a different way to do these, do the gym trainers, then I think this is gonna be my best bet. Because, like, I know it's not... Ugh. Okay, you know what? Let's actually look at... Celadon Gym in red, blue, yellow. Because they also had to make it uncentered. Oh. So what they did here, seemingly... They have two people there. I mean, they still do there, and they're both just as avoidable as they were before. Are you avoidable? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, you are non-avoidable. I'm assuming you would be 2. Yep. So these are two. These are non-avoidable trainers the same kind of way. Like you have to do one of them, but you don't have to do both. You have a radius of 3, so 1, 2, 3. And you only have a radius of 2, which makes sense. You don't want to cross in front of her. But then if you come in through here, you would have to face her instead. Okay. So this is a whole bunch of just crazy-ass optionality here. Okay. That's a really interesting matrix they've set up here. But yeah, basically they just moved one person down here, so they were unavoidable in a different way. Curious. But here, if you went in through the right side, it seems almost like you had to face both of them. Or you could like face this one and then like walk around her, but then you wouldn't have to face her if you did that. Okay, so they did change avoidability in red, blue, yellow to fire, red, leaf, green. Okay, that makes things a little bit easier for me. There's precedent to show that they did change the amount of avoidability on gym trainers. And the thing is, though, people come in here, they're discouraged from going to the left because there's such an obvious trap here. And they would go to the right automatically and then just avoid those. I don't know, guys. Oh, God, we're getting spammers. We're getting spammers up in this bitch. We're getting spammers. We're gonna ban you. Don't know how to fucking quit that menu. Gonna ban you. Man, spammers. They exist. Also, I don't know why the hell my chat just dies every time I refresh the dashboard. Like, all the chat is just wiped out. But I do have the history in OBS at least.
Sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Press this button to get all the gems and everything you ever wanted. This mobile game looks like a console game.
Is that enough? Do I get paid yet? I really don't know what else to do. If you guys have any other suggestions, I will be happy. What if the twins were right above the statues facing each other? Would that look weird? Well, then they would have to move. I could do like this, but then you could avoid them that way anyway, which I could then fix by doing that. Or like facing left or right. It does look a little weird. But maybe that is the way to do it. Because then you could come in from the south, but you could talk to them still. What I was trying to avoid earlier was the ability to like talk to one without being next to them both at the same time. Then put them behind the statues. Then they would have to walk, and then there would be even more separation. That's what I was saying. If you put them behind the statues, then you could be next to one, and then the other person would just be all the way across, but then they would still somehow be battling with you. That does not look good. Hi, I'm here. Yes, I'm late. Let's move on. Hi, Gerviso. Thanks for being late. Right now, I'm agonizing over where the fuck to put these twins. Little girl. Okay. I'll just give these guys sprites while I wait. Wait for an idea to just come to me. Yeah, they're all set up now. I mean... Okay. There are situations in which it would be okay to talk to one and not the other. There are situations where you come at them from like the side and they're still next to each other, but they're not, but like the other person is like kind of weirdly far from you. So frankly, maybe this makes sense. Ugh. Honestly, I think this is just my best shot at getting it like anywhere remotely near the same amount of unavoidability. So whatever, let's leave it. Oh, this isn't good. That's not good. The fact that shows up like that. I think that happens a lot for double battles. Yeah, I think so. But let's... Gym trainers, well, they're not saving their clone or non-clone status. They are saving in connection, which is actually the new name for it, which I would be switching over to, but I don't want to bother with that quite yet. My clone! Please tell me you guys have seen Half-Life in VR, but AI is sentient. I think putting the twins behind the statue would be interesting. I don't think their sprite is tall enough so they would be hidden. It would be interesting, but it would also just not work with how the game has set up its own twins rules, which I'm trying to violate them as little as I can by doing what I'm doing right now. But this isn't where I would find that, would it be? Advanced. Get expected fields. Here we go. Well, they use get expected fields to see like which ones are supposed to be in yeah, custom values or not. Yeah, that's what it is. So for both of those, they would be expecting, let's check. Type original, or type whatever. Oh, they did save that. Okay, so that's fine. But we need to add that here. Okay, that'll be fixed next time I launch it then. Okay. I think that's good then. I had to make that little weird thing here, and I also need to add the badge thing here, but I'm gonna wait to do that for now. Oh god, my fucking back. I need to go to like a chiropractor. Jesus. Okay, so then we're gonna make this guy unavoidable. Wait, Control G, does this work from here? Yay, it finally works from here! But I would also ask that the cursor exists here, so I could just do boop, 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 instead of having to 1, 2, 3 manually count, but whatever. Okay, 3, you would be 2, you would be 3, you would each be 1. And of course, as a gym leader, you are set up properly anyway. Okay. Faulkner, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go save this as is. Search for that and replace it with Bugsy. Here. Oh, look at that. Hey, look at that. It opened with Bugsy again. Awesome. But I'm still going to close it and reopen it because I needed to fix that one bug. Nice. Okay. All right, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Hey, look at that. Custom attribute has disappeared. Okay then. All right. I guess I'll fix the shadowing behind the trees now because I said I was gonna do that at some point. What didn't I? Ugh. So dark, light, dark, light, dark, light. Yeah. Light, dark, light. Right. Dark, light, dark, light, dark. And then next to you, you put the light. Dark, light. Okay. This probably won't be even visible from anyone's point of view, but I'm gonna do it anyway! Because that's just the kind of person I am. I care about this dumb shit, so nobody else has to. Put that there, and that there. Lots of shadowing done on those, at least. Like that. And then that. Literally nobody can see that. It does not matter. Why is it setting the map to it twice? I don't know. I think all the movement permissions are fucked, and all the meta tile behaviors too. I think it just reset them because I imported them from Fire Red. All right, that's cool though. We're good. We're good. What? But this one was like split. No, that should be covered. Yeah, these are all needing to be that type. Also, U2. Also, oh yeah, you should be MB window. This should be covered. Yeah. These should all be covered. Yeah. Boop, 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 wait, boop, 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 boop. MB secret base spot right tree open. Oh, that's not right. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, those are all covered now. I'm just gonna go through every single tile and make sure that Fire Red didn't like have them be assigned weird things or something. View window, covered, covered, normal, covered, 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 normal, covered, 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 normal, split, ooh, normal, 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 ooh. Normal, 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 covered, 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 normal, normal, covered, covered, normal. Oh, that should be something. MB gym statue? MB signposts, actually, I think. Yeah, but still covered. Normal. Normal. I think those would be covered, right? Yeah. Covered, 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 covered. And then over here, for the gym tree, we'll only start... Honestly, all these normal ones probably fit fine with that. Sure. All right. So all of those properties are now set. Well, properly. Okay. Cool. So really, that is, I think, it for the mapping aspect of this. Nice. QML debugging is enabled. Only use this in a safe environment. Okay. Don't know what that means. It's unsafe to debug this in any other environment. Watch out! I don't know. But let's go ahead and find Raleigh.4bip. Sprite sheet rules. Yep. Gonna go ahead and replace that with Bugsy.4bip. G-object event pick. Bugsy. Ah, no, what? Undo this fucking change. What happened? Place. Grab this. Same deal. Bugsy. Go up to here. Oops. Finally at the top level, replace that and save. Go into here. No, that's the wrong one. Go to here, data, no. Graphics. Object events, pics, people, gym leaders, Brawly, delete you. And we have to go export Bugsy or something. Anyway, it is indeed my break time. Thank you, Captain Dingpot. So I will see you guys in a few minutes. How's about them apples? They taste pretty dang good. Hello, everybody. I am back, and I just realized that I left this on stream starting instead of Sierra will BRB. Whoops. But anyway, back at it again with the fresh beats. I don't know, man. I'm trying to say words. Okay, we gotta export Bugsy from somewhere. Or do I already have a Bugsy somewhere? Let's check the resources folder I've got here. No, I wouldn't have Bugsy already, would I? Also, I think the Bugsy that I have here in beta 2 is an updated one, which looks nice. So I think I'll just take it. I have a script for this, yes. Overworldripper.py. Oh, no. I'm back to my my laptop crashes again. Oof. At least you're back for now. Overworldripper.py, and then I don't remember the arguments as always because I don't set up a fucking help thing for myself. Okay. First argument is the file. Second argument is the location, which I have to pull up with NSC. The gym is looking hella sexy. Thank you. I spent a fucking long ass time agonizing over very particular details. As else, like, what else do you really expect when you come onto this stream? Frankly. Right, and then index 126. In advanced mode, we see that the sprite pointer is 45 BB8. Argument 3 is the palette pointer, which is F7DE80. Oh. List index out of range. Huh? Oh, arg4. Ah, okay. Graphics, object events. I'll just put it in the base directory for now. Bugsy. Okay. Can delete all of these except for bugsy.png. How does that look? Bad. M width to M height 2. That's what's up. The height in tiles 2 is in a multiple of the specified meta tile height. Fucking what? Did I not read enough? 32. Oh yeah. This should be 64 by 4 by 9. Okay. Better. Bugsy always confused me. Aces usually is the same gender as their gym leaders. In GSCs, Bugsy's Scyther was male, and in the remakes, it's female. Well, Bugsy's always looked kind of androgynous, frankly, so... That might be why they did that. But I can't purport to know what Game Freak does. And why. Okay. So we need to find which one is the purple-green palette. Do we have any other clearly purple-green sprites? Campers, I think. Campers use tag 2 and then 4. Tag 2 and 4. Okay. Cool. I think if I build this, then it shouldn't blow up. Yeah. All males. All females. They're all females. They're not just... It's not just the one. And yeah, usually usually trainers, Pokemon match their gender exactly. So was it a mistake? Or were they trying to say something about Bugsy? I'm not really sure. Bugsy. Let's look up Bugsy's There is data in Pokemon Crystal for the gender of every trainer class in the game with the exception of using. This is used to select which dialogue pool to sample from when randomly choosing the opponent's dialogue. Interestingly, Bugsy is one of two male characters to be identified as female in this array. The other is Will. Similarly to Saturn, Will, and Janine, his Pokemon are the opposite gender despite them having a 50-50 gender ratio. Bugsy's Pokemon were all male in the original Johto games. In Pokemon Stadium 2, Bugsy incorrectly refers to his Heracross's Megahorn as Megaphone. Okay. Very interesting. Autocorrect. Oh, already got MS Paint Vista open. Just drag and drop. Zoom in. And we just crop off all the other bastards. We don't care about those. Okay. So this should have already built, but I'll just build again because I forgot to crop that bit. So how are y'all doing? Y'all enjoying the actual gym stream for once? Took a long ass time to get here, huh? Oh shit, nothing's pinned. Because I did so much fucking around with all that recently. Let's pin CrystalDust to it. Interesting how that opens with it, but it doesn't actually show a little icon. Oh, fuck. That did not work quite out. I don't quite like how I was expecting it to, because I guess that tile was not set as a warpable tile. Whoops. Also, haha, you guys definitely didn't hear like a new gym theme or anything from anybody at all. Totally not. No, haha, ha 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 ha. That totally is definitely not a thing that's not ready for you guys and shouldn't have been playing right there. Let me see if I can get the right one in there at least for y'all. Because I appreciate y'all and I want to show y'all what's up. So I think I need to set this to 127 in order for it to be processed properly. But yeah, I actually haven't heard the so basically Kersey, Easterek, whatever you want to call him, he's been working on a new gym theme based on the Gen 2 and Gen 3 gym themes. I have we've been trying to puzzle it all out. Was it the gym theme that was in the creative chat room on the DMA server? Yeah, I forgot he posted it there. So yeah, it's not exactly leaks, but. There you go. It is on stereo. Okay, cool. But yeah, that is what's been up. Like the pitch pens, it's slight but super effective. Yeah. Okay, requires flash false. Huh. And yet. Ah, no. Just open it manually. Yeah, here we go. It sets the flash radius here, so delete that, please. We don't need no flash radius. Brighten room. I don't know, whatever. Okay. And we're gonna make that a pori anyway, but like the thing I wanted to do now was fix this so I could actually exit the gym at some point, which would be fairly useful, I think. You know, allowing you to leave the gym might be a little useful. I don't know, what you guys think? Is the evolution theme gonna be this like beta 2 or is it gonna stay like RSC FRLG? Have not decided. I think it's different enough in Gen 2 from Gen 1 to warrant a new theme. So. But it's not going to be the beta 2 theme either. Oh boy, yay. In function, animate flash 1 trainer on how to find reference to set flash radius. Because I deleted all of it instead of only part of it. All right. So I should be able to see and I should be able to leave. Two very important things when you're designing a building. I can actually make my save be in front of here now. Oh. That might also be important. The collision map. Shit. I think it's just Railer's 3. Just gonna make sure I'm not crazy here. Yeah. Okay. Wipe those all out and then redo it from scratch. Yeah, I've got a team of really good music people on the development crew. Fucking every time I see a new person pop up on YouTube, it's just like, oh my god, they're so good. I want to get them for my game. Ah, I gotta contact them. And oftentimes they're happy to help. The one person that there was a person that was happy to help originally, gave me one song, and then kind of just noped out forever. I still don't know if I'm still allowed to use that one. So, alright. I saved, but I have not actually built or even reopened the thing. So why would it have changed? Oh my god, from the Discord. If you're gonna remake the entire game, does that mean the Gym Leader theme will be remade? I know Gengar wants that. God. Poor Gengar, he's just become a meme. Okay. So that, honestly, yeah, cool. I think we are good then to begin scripting. It's rando time? What? Script.pori. Copy all of this, paste it here in a raw section. And then we'll start with the map scripts, as ever. The music and in-battle sprite was wrong. Ah, that's what you meant. Alright. So first we shall start with this fine gentleman. I'm gonna copy his deets, paste them up here. And then we'll convert it to the Pori map format, or Pori script format, excuse me. Which omits lock and release because they're pretty standard. Wait, does it omit lock? I don't actually. I think it only omits end. So never mind. Okay, so if flag repeated do for gym, then message box whatever's in post guide post victory. Else I mean, I don't know why I even bothered to copy the script up here. It's not like it actually was important to copy. Now I need the gym sign, gym statues. Here we go. Yet again, I don't understand why they have different scripts for the left and right statues. It makes no sense. Like, were they ever going to be, like, saying different things? I don't understand. Yeah, no, I changed that, so it just says Violet City Gym statue. Yeah, I just did that. Violet Pokemon Gym. Oh yeah, there was something I was trying to figure out. It was like Fire Red, Leaf Green did it a certain way, and then I was gonna do it that way, and then they were doing it a different way, and I was gonna do it a different way. It was just confusing. Let's go ahead and load Crystal. Able to save you. I'm here now. Azalea Town Pokemon Gym. God, I love the fucking bass from that song. I love it. It's so fucking like pumping up. You know? I kind of prefer the other style, you know? Of the Azalea instead of Azalea Town, or Azalea Town instead of Azalea. I'm gonna go double check what Fire Red did. I like how different it sounded to red, blue, yellows. Yeah. It's good. Don't save. Open new. Viridian Pokemon Gym. Okay. So I'm guessing they did that everywhere. Cerulean Pokemon Gym. And then Poke Red. Oh hey, look, it's from the last time I did this search. And I didn't find it, I guess. Well, that's because this fucking search function on GitHub is absolute garbage. Oh, wait, maybe it's in here, actually. Oh, they did it dynamically. They loaded the city name and then the gym leader name. What? Why? I like when a sequel has consistency and be unique at the same time. I mean, that's just how it goes, yeah. So yeah, in Gen 1, they would have done Cerulean City Pokemon Gym Leader Misty. But then in Fire Red, Leaf Green, they did Cerulean Pokemon Gym Leader Misty. So I guess I could do... That's why I did it that way. It's because they cut out the town or city thing here. Were there any gyms in the town in Gen 1? Viridian City, Pewter City, Cerulean City, Vermilion City, Celadon City, Fuchsia City, Saffron City. That might have been why they left it out. Actually. Oh wait, this is Violet City. Shit. Okay, let's see. Pokemon Gym. Violet City Pokemon Gym. Why are there two different flags for this? Alright, well, I guess I'll just do what they did.
Nice battle. Keep it up and you'll be the champ in no time at all.
Thanks.
Second match.
I'll change that to Azalea Town. And here. Start. Oh, wait. Bugsy. Just start to assign. Yes. I would like to reload the project. Thank you, PoriMap. Oh god, I've created one without wanting to. That's not good. That's dangerous. I can't wait until Kanto. Me neither, bud. Me too, bud. Ah! Stop. Why is it so easy to make absolutely new ones? It shouldn't be. Ew. Oh, fuck. I'm in the wrong... Damn it. Data maps. Violet City. Let's make it like Dark Souls just to save. No, that would be bad. Yep, I hate the pencil tool in events as default. I always accidentally make new ones. Yeah, why is it the default? That doesn't make any sense to me. Like, why? It's useful in some cases, but the mouse pointer should definitely be default for this. And they shouldn't sync up like that. Like, you would probably want different ones for each. Like, you'd probably want the, like, why would they even show this if that's not even an option? Like, I get that they want to make it look like it's the same tab still. I don't know. But they shouldn't like sync up. Like that shouldn't stay between the tabs. That should default to pointer, or that they should be kept differently. They should be, the current chosen tool for each tab should be kept in a separate variable. Yes, they should not synchronize between each other. Okay, so I've done Daily Town Gym Guide. Should probably care enough to open a GitHub issue, but I'm lazy. I'll do it at some point, or I'll just... Honestly, I'm too lazy to open GitHub issues as well, so I just go onto the Discord server and just go like, Shanty! Shanty, help! And then Shanty is like, what? And then sometimes he helps. Let's pin that. Okay, so yeah, he looks around. He's not just standing there facing down. He's looking around. And I just want to make sure you're unavoidable. Yeah, you are unavailable. Yeah. Jesus Christ, you are unavoidable. What is up with my tongue? Can't speak today. You are also unavoidable? Yes. Oh, what? You're like looking around? Oh, I did not expect that. Look around, and your sight radius is at least going to be 3 then. I don't know about any closer than that. Yeah, it's 3. Okay. Cool. Now I need to get his script for this, which will be in... I should probably pin some workspaces to here, huh? Sorry, I never know if this stuff is too loud for y'all. You need to warn me way beforehand. You know, warn me before it fucking kills your ears, guys. Come on. Okay. Azalea Gym. Right, gym guy. Okay. There. Here we go. So, if you've defeated it, so he's gonna say, well done. That was a great clash of talented young trainers. With people like you, the future of Pokemon is bright. Yo, Challenger. Paragraph maybe? We'll see how it goes. Bugsy's young, but his knowledge of bug Pokemon is for real. Okay, the whole bug versus bug type Pokemon thing, I finally got a real answer, which is they actually do have this exact phrase in Emerald, but they capitalized bug. I thought they'd switched all of the things to being X type or whatever, but not that, I guess. It's going to be tough without my advice. Let's see. I'm gonna include that on the previous line just because I think it works. Bug poke, capitalize it. Bug Pokemon don't like fire. New line. Flying type moves are super effective too. Okay. Build that. See how that looks in game. And while I do that, I will drink some water. I like water. Water is, in fact, very good for if you want to live. If you don't want to really live, then it's like, you don't need water. Water's okay. But if you want to live, oh, baby, water's where it's at. Hydrate or dihydrate. Indeed. I got new coasters, which are like NES cartridges. Ooh. Where did I find? Right. Delete. 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 Save. Build. It's buffering a lot for me now. Hope that's not on my end. Now my bitrate is consistently at 5, almost 6 megabytes. One of those. So if it's buffering, I think it might be on your end. Undefined reference to Muslim. Let's see. How far do you guys think we'll be able to make this of this? How much do you guys think we will be able to make of this gym? You guys think we'll get to do all the trainers today? I hope so. So far, these scripts should be done. The beginning scripts, anyway. Yeah. Yo, Challenger. Bugsy's young, but his knowledge of bug Pokemon is for real. It's gonna be tough without my advice. Let's see. Bug Pokemon don't like fire. Flying type moves are super effective too. I'm gonna expand that a bit. Bug Pokemon don't like to be anywhere near fire. Flying type moves are super effective too. In 1 to 2 streams. Alright, in Flag defeated Azalea Gym is defined as 4F1. Well done, that was a great clash of talented young trainers. With people like you, the future of Pokemon is bright. Oh, that should be an exclamation mark. But otherwise, I could probably put the of on the previous line. I opened something. I don't know what this is, just a new window. Don't know why I did that. I think I need a new chair. The lumbar support on this one is not doing too hot. It was already old when I bought it, and I think it's just gotten worse. I'm gonna buy myself a nice chair because I use it almost all of the time. Like, most of my life is spent in this chair, especially now. So I'm gonna buy myself a quality chair. Set flag. Oh wait, let's first check this new script. It's gonna be tough without my advice. Let's see. Bug Pokemon don't like to be. Maybe there's a different way to phrase that would be better than that. Bug Pokemon don't like to get close to fire. Bug Pokemon really don't like being close to. Don't like being close. Maybe. Don't like to be close to fire. Don't like being anywhere near fire. But what was the phrase I already had? I forgot. Okay, so I could just switch 2B to being, and that might work. I was almost gonna write, Bug Pokemon don't like to be seen near fire. It's like, I don't think that's why they don't like it. I think it's because it hurts them. All right, load that. Go in here. Bug Pokemon don't like being anywhere near fire. Shouldn't anywhere be in the next line? Yeah, it is uncomfortably close to the end of that. Don't like to be found. Don't like to be found near fire. Don't like to get close to fire. Don't like to be. Don't like being anywhere near fire. Don't like being anywhere close to fire. Could do that. Wait, did I do the right one? This might be the non-dependency build. I think it was. Yeah. Needs to be the dependency build, otherwise it won't detect that this Pori script matters at all. And without that, oh, we just don't have a new updated version of it, do we? Bug Pokemon don't like being anywhere close to fire. I don't know, it's kind of clunky still. Bug Pokemon really don't like being fire in it just says bug Pokemon don't like fire. How do I update that? Really don't like being anywhere close to bug Pokemon don't like fire. Bug Pokemon can't, maybe something like can't stand the heat of can't stand being near a fire. Nah. Pokemon can't stand the heat of being near a fire. Maybe that can work. Bug Pokemon can't stand the heat of being near a fire. I could also just do the heat of a fire if that doesn't work. But being near fire. Maybe just being near fire itself. Bug Pokemon can't be near fire. Can't stand the heat. Being near fire. I think I like that. I don't know. I'll obviously this is all like first pass stuff. Everything here that you're seeing is pretty much subject to change whenever I go through do my other passes. That's what I have to tell myself in order to be able to move on to different parts of the game without being stuck on something for like ages. Everything here is subject to change. Everything here is just temporary until I decide it's permanent, I guess. Oh, Pokemon can't stand the heat of being near fire. Flying type moves are super effective too. It's still clunky. Pokemon can't stand being too close to fire. That could be it. Can't stand being too close to fire. Sorry I'm spending so much time on this, but I really want to expand this in a way that would seem natural. And nothing I'm doing so far feels natural. Come on. There you go. Bug Pokemon can't stand being too close to fire. Yes, I like that. Flying type moves are super effective too. Expending time and stuff like that is a good thing. Spending? Like spending time on it? Encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings or using a faster encoding preset? Oh, Jesus. Apparently all my CPU power is currently being used by Firefox, OBS Studio. Jeez, okay, let's see if I pause the stream on Firefox, does that chill out a bit on usage of CPU? Yeah, it seems like it, okay. Oh gosh, we're at 100% again? How the hell are we at 100% CPU usage with only... Oh, I forgot, I have my entire other user profile still running in the background. Oh, Christ, I forgot. Damn it. Usually I close down other things. How much CPU do you have? I have 8 CPU. Whoosh. All right, next up, we'll go ahead and do the twins. The twins are... I'll pull them from like Route 104's scripts, I guess. From Emerald. Yeah. Okay. Twins. No. Maybe I should have said gigahertz of CPU. What the hell is a gigahertz? I'm still new to learning what makes a computer works. Well, my computer has many gigahertz of computer. Okay, let's see here. Where is it?
Oh no, I'm not a trainer, but that's right. If trainers lock eyes, it's a challenge to battle. If you don't want to battle, stay the fuck out of their sight.
Wait, is Route 104 the route that I'm thinking of that should have the twins on it? Yeah, okay, here we go. Found it, finally. Never mind. Sorry, yeah, post-battle.
We will train on Pokemon more and be strong like you.
Or maybe, what's your CPU? Intel i7 6700. So, a little old at this point. But still nice. Alright, where are the... Yeah, twins, Amy and May 1. Twins, Amy and May 1 CTEX, so... Are you the one on the left or no? Yes, you are the one on the left. So Amy... Right? Amy's on the left. Oh, Intel. Yeah. My next build is going to have an AMD Ryzen. Probably, unless I don't build one for like a few years, but... I feel like I'm going to be building a new PC soon. I got the new case, and I really, really want to make a new build in it. And not just have my old build in it as, yeah. As Azalea Town Gym event script. Amy. Jesus, though, I can't talk today. Okay, to be fair, I've stayed up until 5 a.m. for like the past 2 nights, but that was... Why did I do that? That was stupid. That's not even to be fair, that's just being stupid. Okay, then don't need to call that special. Add this. Let's open up trainers.pori. Yes, I remembered. Okay, here we are. Copy this. Gym text. Amy intro. Amy defeat. Amy post battle. So we'll type you out. Amy colon. Hi. Are you challenging the new line leader? No way. Cruising on down Main Street, just relaxing, feeling good. Drifting down the mountain. How did I not know the words of the Magic School Bus theme song? Cruising on down Main Street, relaxing, feeling good. Next thing that you know, you're being wow sucked into octopus in the neighborhood. Yeah. Surfing down the highway. Fucking surf. No, something. Swimming, surfing through the stars. Fuck, I can't remember the Magic School Bus theme. I'm so sorry. I'm so sad. The OG Magic School Bus was so good. Amy and May. Oh, double goodness. Hey, did you know we're twins? And we're two people? Did you know that? I don't know if you knew that. You're really strong. I got crappy Intel Celeron? That's ancient. Oh my gosh. And then, of course, I need to figure out my script for not enough Pokemon. Because that's a new one. Boop, boop, boop. Intro, defeat, post-battle. Not enough mons. Intro, defeat, post-battle, not enough mons. Yeah, that's old. I remember commercials better than mid-OOs. Yeah! I guess it only has the power of 2.16 gigahertz. But that's not all the... That's like not all of the power. All the power is not represented in the speed. Also how many cores it has. If it has new like technology behind it to make it faster without actually needing to bump up the gigahertz. So all right, so Amy, not enough mons. What did I write in beta 2? Also, does CPU and RAM work together? Oh, I think I just avoided it by making them individual battles. How fucking lazy. Also, does CPU and RAM work together? I mean, the CPU is what actually thinks. The RAM is just the memory. So yeah, they kind of need to work together. Imagine having like the ability to think but no long-term memory or short-term memory, or I don't know. Imagine having the ability to think but no short-term memory. You kind of need both. So what should I write for Amy? Oh, you don't have another Pokemon? I didn't do the post battle. I think I overwrote that. My bad. Okay. How did they write her in the 3-line? To extrapolate this, I have to figure out what would sound like something she would say in like the 3 or 4 sentences she has total. Oh. And she wouldn't say, "Oh, you don't have another Pokemon. Your Pokemon doesn't have a friend to battle us with." Maybe. I think it works. Remove this, and now we're gonna do May. Ah, what? Yeah, here we are. You want to see the leader? We come first. And post battle, may our bug Pokemon lost. Oh, what a shame. Because that's how little girls talk, right? May Oh, you don't have another Pokemon with you? What a shame. Just kind of referencing that. Okay. And of course, we need to figure out Rocket 3. Where's that? All the definitions of trainers, though. Not trainer class. Trainers. Here we go. Rose 1. Replace you with trainer Amy and May. Right. Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good, yeah. Next thing that you know, you're seeing, wahoo, octopus in the neighborhood. I remembered that at least. It's enough. When I'm building a computer, people told me to use AMD CPU chips. Yeah, AMD right now is currently pretty good, especially for the price. I would recommend that same thing to you. Do they still show? They don't still show Magic School Bus in schools, I'm assuming. And they have the new fucking Netflix series, but it's not good. I have a Ryzen CPU and I'm a happy little guy. But is it a Ryzen Threadripper? I doubt it. I used to watch it in elementary school. Okay, but how old are you? I'm 23. Let's see what the lower bound on this is. What Netflix series? Oh, you don't know. Master Shuppets, how the hell can you say you doubt that they don't show it anymore? Or do you doubt that they do show it? It's vague. But yeah, fucking, they made one season of it because it's a piece of shit. No, wait, they made 2 seasons of it? What? 1 season, but it's a season 2 episode 1? What? I doubt they show it. Ah. Well, they showed it for me and I'm 23. Captain Dingpot, did they show it in school though? But yeah, they have it's fucking like flash animated and shitty looking. And it doesn't even have like Miss Frizzle as like the star. It's like her sister. Because Lily Tomlin, the voice actress for Miss Frizzle, is too old to be like consistent in the role, I guess. I don't know. I remember seeing it in school too. Well, there we go. We have you're 18, right, Dingpot? If so, then we kind of have a lower bound. All right, we can assign these then. Boop. This is before the Netflix version. I would hope. Netflix version was 3 years ago. I didn't know there was a Netflix version. You really didn't need to know, but I've told you, and now you can't unknow. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I just realized this might actually be problematic. Hold up. Because Emerald added that feature where if 2 trainers spot you at the same time, then they would both come at you. at the same time in like a combined sort of battle type thing. But now I'm realizing, how is that gonna work for this? Maybe I could like, no, I wouldn't split them apart because they're twins. That's the point. So we are about 5 years apart. Going to be 18 in August. Honestly, we're closer to 6. I want to make it to specifically not be a dual battle. Well, I want it to be a double battle, but not like the new style. I want it to be the old style double battle, where it's one in-game trainer, but has like a double battle style, as opposed to the dynamic double battle, which is what Emerald is, the special feature that Emerald introduced. So I'm curious to see what happens right now. If it has like some sort of check against this or no. Oh, wait. You guys see that? It lags like crazy. Why is that? Does Fire Red Leaf Green have any of these dynamic double battles? No. It's a new feature from Emerald. Looks like Fire Red Leaf Green stairs. What? Stairs? Maybe I could do what fucking Game Freak does and remove the feature. Just remove it from Emerald, or remove it from this, because frankly, it kind of fucks with some stuff. So it might actually be a good idea to remove that. Huh. I hadn't thought about that. Fire Leaf Green had a thing where going up and down stairs you go a little slower. Oh yeah, except in this instance, it's just the game is literally chugging instead of it just being a movement thing. But yeah, I might actually just remove that. That would improve some stuff later on too. Okay. I'm gonna go find that actually. Trainer C. Right, okay. Yeah, the number of approaching trainers thing is what's going on here. Check for trainers wanting battle. Let's actually open this up in Fire Red 2 and see what... excuse me. Let's see what the difference is. Man, I've never done it. I've never done that. I've never like removed a feature from Emerald like this before. Trainer C. Check for trainers wanting battle is a lot less complicated, isn't it? Okay. So what is this? This from... I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this is from the flashback system. Because those are all just quick exits like this for a reason. Idea of approaching trade. Yeah. Right. Yeah, quest log. Yeah, that's what I figured. Got it. Also, why are these actually properly highlighted? Like, what is up with IntelliSense? It's just terrible with this. Okay. So, not num trainers. Let's remove this. Let's also remove G number of approaching trainers. And approaching trainer ID. Now I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna knock them all out like that. I'm gonna go ahead and delete them by commenting instead of the other way. Boop boop. Boop boop. Ah. Boop boop. I'm gonna do boop 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 boop. Oh man, all this stuff for that. Honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and if I had to guess, a Game Freak just shit out a Gen 2 remake when the GBA after Fire Release 3 and would have released in 2006. Cool. Oh, does this not even have that? Oh, I don't think any of these were in there. No. Come on. Come on. Okay. And then pretty much just copy this into there. Check trainer returns instead now. Bool 8. Oh, I mean, I think I might have to tweak it more because they do need to fix based on which trainer, or just based on like the facing stuff. Yeah. Because Fire Red also omits all the facing stuff. Yeah. And Battle Pyramid, all that stuff. Approach distance. If approach distance is not 0. If it's double, rematch double, continue script double. And get mon state to doubles 2. What is this? Ah. Either return player has 2 usable mons or player has 1 usable mon. Why are there 2? Are there 2 versions of this? Okay. So we want to check all of these things. Alive count. Yeah. If life count is 1, then player is 1 mon. What? I don't get what they did here. U32 get species. Make sure it's not an egg or none. And then if the HP is not 0, then life count plus plus. If life count is 1, then he has 1 mon. If life count is greater than 1, then he has 2 mons. Otherwise, 1? Well, that's not supposed to be that. It's supposed to be none. Player has no usable mons. In the original script, I would have done I would have done that, but get mon state to doubles. Let's use the original one then. Return false. Wait. Configure and set up one trainer battle. Trainer approach player. G number of approaching players. Return true and return false. So now we need to copy this in. Script pointer instead of just script. Okay. That's in there, so we can use that. Get trainer approach distance. Already looks like it's the same one, same function. Then there's a bunch of checks for how far each direction. Check path between them. Sure. Trainer approach. Okay. And then G approaching trainer ID. G tasks, G approaching trainers, number of approaching trainers, task ID. Task ID is create task run trainer C functionless. I need my squished weight. Okay, so that's when we're setting that up. But instead of that, we're gonna go ahead and do boop, 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 boop. This. That. Run trainer C func list with an 80. Do that. And the T trainer range. Trainer object. Was that saved anywhere? Task get trainer object does that. Yeah, that makes sense. Because they would have changed. They would have changed all that and made it a little differently done. Basically. Interesting. Very interesting. Func ID, trainer object high and low, put those back in. Trainer object event ID, don't know why that's there. Comment you out, and then take these, plop them here. Next function. Set task with follow-up func. Task func task ID. Task func equals run task run trainer C func list. Set task func with follow-up func. I don't know if that's what they needed to do there, but they did it. They sure did it. Task ID is find task by ID. Do all that exactly the same. Follow-up func, yes. Run trainer C func list. Yeah, this seems right. That's false. Exclamation mark. Forward leaf green introduces trainers who can see the player from off screen above. Handle this case here. Oh, I needed that actually for the future, but I do need that. Nice. Okay, now everything else looks the same. So tfunc ID is 12. What is function 12? Function 12 is Trainer, begin jump out of ash, wait jump out of ash, end jump out of ash. Wait. Wait, what? Trainer and ash display. Reveal hidden trainer. Pop out, jump in place, wait. Yeah, okay, they're the same. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, then we'll set the func ID to 12 instead. Return true. Wait for the exclamation mark. Trainer approach. Yeah, same as the same. Prepare to engage. Okay, this is the facing part. Facing direction. That all looks the same. Trainer C func end. All still looks the same. Reveal disguise trainer. Wait, remove disguise. Reveal, yeah. All that stuff is the same. Wait, jump out of ash. End jump out of ash. Scroll the camera up to reveal an off-screen above trainer. Copy all of these in there. Hello, trainer range, out of sprite, data 5. Ah, that's what they added that for. There's people throwing shit outside, I hear. That makes me uncomfortable. Let's go ahead and replace T data 5 with T screen scroll state. Yeah. It was 81 on Friday, supposed to be cool down this coming week, thankfully. It's a very nice 68 degrees out here, and I can't wait to go outside and take a walk after this. Okay. That looks good. Cool. Test screen. Yeah, okay, got it all. Awesome. And then this part again does that. Task data 1, task data 7. Do all this stuff. Store in 2 half words. Destroy trainer approach task. Destroy that. And for some reason, all the field effects are here. My bad, 92 degrees. Where I live, it's going to be in the 70s and 80s. Where I live, it's generally not much above 90. Oh, and then just this. Oh wait, they accidentally combined the field effect or the emotions there, huh? Okay, try to prepare a second approaching trainer. Where is this called from? Oh, it's a special. At least it's not humid. I like in a state with mountains. Like I also like states with mountains. Live, yeah. Yeah, do 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 do. Battle begin compared to trainer battle begin. Huh. Okay, so we eliminate this stuff. Have the script be that. Go to beaten script. Wait, what? And trainer. Huh? Okay. These guys just skipped to this, which is the same thing anyway. Okay. Weird. Alright, but that should be that part. And then try prepare a second approaching person here. Build that. There were task errors. No, not task errors. The task provider for C++ tasks unexpectedly provided a task of type shell. Yeah, that's just outdated. Ooh. Oh, no, wait. Boop. Take those. Slap them on the end of this. Build it. Oh. Build it, please. Yeah, I like my place. I like the area in which I live, but the yowling concerns me sometimes. Do you think you will be done with a second gym by tomorrow? By tomorrow. I don't know, man. Possibly? I don't know. Depends on how much I do. Depends on how much I do tomorrow and today after this. Because I'm going to take a break for a bit. Wait, what's still referencing this? Oh. Get current approaching trainer object event ID. I meant next week's stream. Yeah, maybe. Probably. Yep. Player face trainer after battle. CMD D8. Trainer battle does that. CMD D8 and D9 do that. Just get current approaching trainer object event ID, which I think I need. So that's why I need to store this in something. Poker Ruby might actually be able to help me in this. Who'd have thought? Because Poker Ruby doesn't have the double battles, but it does have facing. What a shock. Did you guys think that that would help at some point? I didn't. Trainer C. Trainer C, trainer do. Exclamation mark. Probably. Trainer battle. RS is double battles, but they're not as much used in Emerald. Yeah. Data. Scripts. Train. Event scripts. No. Go to post battle script. Yeah, I knew it would be in here. Okay. So they don't use this. Wait. They do have show second trainer intro? Is that used? Were they gonna include it in Ruby and then didn't? Well, it's in. regular data, and it's also in the German data. But I don't think it's used. Okay, so CMD, D8, D9 don't actually matter. Oh. Trainer wants battle. Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, I think I'm understanding a little bit more. So this is supposed to be the script that just says show trainer intro, I guess. Then we delete this. Now we have something that matches. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Does Bruno Mars is gay?
Bruno Mars is gay is the most discussed in the media in the long time ago. It seems like everybody wants to know about his gay. Set up 2 trainers battle. From here, yeah, comment it out. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. Configure 2 trainers battle. Should also be called from someone that's commented. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna be really interested if trainers actually like work after this, because I've just been like taking shit out willy-nilly. Player face trainer after battle. Ooh. Them's a lot. Okay. So that might still be useful then. If trainer approached players, then face trainer after battle. Oh, I think I didn't delete all the fucking scripts from this. Interesting, very interesting. Is Bruno Mars does gay? Ooh, now that's a new question. Who knows? Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and make a combination here. Instead of G approaching trainers, we're gonna leave that in, but we're only gonna make it 1. G approaching trainer. And here, configure and set up 1 trainer battle. I'll set up all this stuff for you. Trainer, Should I say something? I think not. Oh, you mean about how I'm over time? I know I'm over time. Yeah. I mean, I wanted to show something cool at the end, but like, it doesn't seem like I'm gonna be able to finish this in a short enough time. So, Jim. Yes. Bugsy. Yes. Indeed. Gim. Yes. game. All right, I'm just gonna call it. That's the end of the stream, guys. Sorry that wasn't very satisfying. Mention the break, don't mention the end of the stream. Sorry. This is the it's just gonna be how it is, I guess, because I couldn't finish this shit. I was hoping for a more satisfying ending, but oh well. We'll have this hopefully done by next week, the gym, but we'll see. I've worked slower in the past. But yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you guys next week.
Bye-bye.